Hello and welcome. Yes, last night we did cross product. I then made a mistake. I didn't know we do the following method. And in case of getting what we want for this magic on cross product. So we have the Cartesian coordinate system on our top, x, y, y hat, z hat. To get our cross product get going, then I have the extra vectors. Vector A is going to go 2 towards the right, so it's going to be 2 x hat. 2 goes to up to y hat, and then B is going only there's 3 up, so it's going to be 3 y hat. Now if I want to do a cross product, I'm going to do the FOIL method, and I'm going to do 2x hat times the 0x hat plus 3y hat, and then 2y hat times 0x hat times 3y hat. I'm going to get 0 for the first, although again, timesing the x hats are going to give me that. Then we have the 6z hat, because you have y times x times y, we're going to on the circle plus, so we're going to get 6z hat. Y hat times x hat, we're going to get a z hat, but the problem is we're going to get 2 times 0 is 0, although we get minus because we're going all on the other side of the circle, and again negative 0 z hat plus 0. We get 6z hat, because again, 2y hat times 3, probably because we have the y hats multiplied together, we're going to get 0 for that one. So now we're going to have our cross product. Vector z is going to be 6z hat, which is going to inside the board or going out of the board. And then we're going to do the cross product. I can already tell you that's going to be 0. Why? A dot product of c vector is going to give us whatever magnitude that we have is square root of 8 times the magnitude that we're going to have for z, or the vector c is going to be 6z squared, or 6 times square root of 8. But then we have cosine of 90, because this is going out or into. And then if you have vector a, no matter how you look at it, because we're going straight on the 90 degrees angle, you're going to have cosine of 90, which we're going to have 0, because cosine of 90 is 0. Same thing is going to happen when you do vector b and vector c. Vector b is going all the way up, and then vector c is either coming outside the board or going inside. But then because we have z hat coming out of the board as a positive, so it's going to come out of the board, and then because they're going to be perpendicular, have a 90 degrees angle because they're perpendicular to each other, we're going to have cosine of 90 no matter what magnitude we're going to have for dot product. So we're going to get 0 again. And remember, for getting the magnitude from the components, we're going to get square root of the getting our components being squared. So that's how we are going to get the magnitude of our vectors to use it in a dot product. And hopefully you guys learned something new. You also know that this dot product gives me a scalar, and cross product gives me a vector. And we can see how different it is, because we have scalar, which is probably have its own units, maybe like meters, stuff like that. Over here we don't have any, but cross product has the x, y hat, and z hat, and these are vectors. So hopefully you guys learned something new from this video, and I see you guys in the next videos. If you have any questions, let me know.